Hey YouTube, it's me, the Sheepish Paul, and it's almost 2019, so I'm going to show you everything from 2018. New gaming rig, built from scratch basically, RGB is pretty cool, and new desktop, some LEDs in the back, whole bunch of stuff, so let's get into it. As you can see, this turned out great. My dad and I had an awesome time building this gaming computer, and I learned so much from this. This beast will make it way easier to record and edit future videos. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a happy new year. See you in 2019.